Good morning, everyone. I again welcome you all to Sri Rama Bharati Public School online classes. Today, I am here to take your computer class. Today, we will start with the new topic. Our new topic is chapter number 5, Mouse and Input Device. Mouse and Input Device. This is a mouse. Today, we are going to learn about the computer mouse. The topics that we covered today are number 1 is mouse, that what is a mouse. After that we are going to learn about the different parts of mouse. We are going to learn about the different parts of mouse. So let's start. First we are going to learn about the mouse, that what is a mouse. Now Mouse is an important part of a computer. Yes, everybody knows, we have already learned in the previous chapters that mouse is a main part of computer. It is an input device. Yes, it is also known as input device. Why? Because mouse is used to give data and information to the computer. That is why it is known as input device. It gives input to the computer. It is connected to the CPU cabinet through a wire. Yes, in this figure it is already shown that mouse is connected to the CPU cabinet with the help of this wire. Next, it is also known as a pointing device. It is also known as a pointing device. Pointing device means, why we call it a pointing device? Because it controls the movement of a pointer on the screen. Because it controls the movement means, जब हम अपनी स्क्रीन पे माउस मूव करते हैं, it controls that movement. It controls the movement of that pointer on the screen. That is why it is known as a pointing device. Or we can say it is used to point any object on the screen. That is why it is known as a pointing device. Now we will learn that how mouse helps us to do the following things. Okay, first is it helps us in play games. With the help of mouse, we can play different type of games on the computer. Okay, point and select item. Basically, it is used to point any object on the screen or to select any object on the screen. With the help of mouse, we can draw pictures. In a MS Paint or Tux Paint, we can draw pictures with the help of mouse. After that, it is also used to open a program. It is also used to open a new program. How we are going to open a program, that we will learn in the next slide. Okay. Now see in this diagram. This is basically a computer screen. You see one pointer is here. One pointer, one arrow like this is here. Basically, this is our mouse pointer. This arrow is known as a mouse pointer on the screen. So this pointer is used to point and select an items. Okay, if we move this pointer on this, then we will select this item. If we move this pointer on this, we will select this item. We can open this item with the help of mouse. मतलब कि इस माउस पॉइंटर, ये जो एरो है, दिस इज बेसिकली अ माउस पॉइंटर. इसको हम जहां पे भी लेके जाएंगे, ये उस चीज को सिलेक्ट करेगा और उस चीज को पॉइंट आउट करेगा कि हमें ये काम करना है. जो काम करना है हम वहां पे अपना माउस पॉइंटर ले जाएंगे. ओके, सो इट इज हेल्प अस टू पॉइंट एंड सिलेक्ट द आइटम्स. ओके, I hope you all know, आपको इतना समझ में आ गया होगा. You all understand that what is a mouse. Basically, mouse is a pointing device. It is also known as a input device. It is used to point and select the items on a screen. Now we are going to learn about the different parts of a mouse. Different parts of a mouse. Okay. So a mouse has basically 4 parts. A mouse has basically 4 parts. This is a mouse. This is computer mouse. Okay, so mouse has 4 parts. That is left button, right button. One is the scroll wheel, this round wheel inside the mouse. This is known as a scroll wheel. And fourth is the wire. The wire with the help of which it is connected to the CPU. Okay, so there are 4 parts of a mouse. Now we will explain. A mouse has 4 parts. First is 2 buttons. A mouse has 2 buttons. Left button, right button. Left button and right button. Now, what are the uses of these buttons? So, these are used to perform various functions. These 2 buttons perform different type of functions on the screen. Okay. Second is a scroll wheel. What is the use of a scroll wheel? So a scroll wheel is used to move page up and down. Okay, so scroll wheel is basically used to move the page up and down. We are scrolling page na, we are moving upward to the page or downward. हम पेज पे ऊपर नीचे scroll करते हैं. That is why this scroll wheel is used. Third is a wire. What is the use of a wire? Simply wire is used to connect the mouse to CPU cabinet. जो वायर है वो हमारे माउस को CPU बॉक्स और we can say CPU cabinet से join करती है. I hope it's clear to everyone that today we have learnt about the mouse and the different parts of mouse. Mouse has 4 different parts. First is left button, second is right button, third is scroll wheel and fourth is the wire. Now in the next class we will learn about the different functions and different types of mouses. So stay tuned with us. Okay, bye everyone. I hope it's clear to everyone.